Welcome back. This is episode 2 of Restoring Ariana's Jeep. And I also just want to clarify again that we did get this Jeep for free off of Facebook Marketplace. And what I'm doing is I'm just prepping the Jeep and getting it clean before I start the repair and paint.
Honestly, guys, I think that's the best I'm going to be able to get it to. Because I could honestly spend all day scrubbing this thing. And because it's going to get a new paint job anyway, you won't even notice it. But yeah, don't come at me. I tried my best. Whatever this grime and shit is, it does not come off easy. Okay, so now that the Jeep is clean, I'm going to try to fill in this and pretty much repair the front fender. And I've never done something like this before, so it's a learning experience, but let's see how it turns out. Well, I just got Gorilla Glue all stuck on my fingers, but I had to get this shit on. Alright, we had to do this part off camera because this self-adhesive patch was not sticking very well. So we used some super glue and some hot glue. It is really fucking hot today, so it shouldn't take too long to dry. After this dries, I have some original filler Bondo, and pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the Bondo where the mesh is and coat it as much as I can, pretty much trying to form the new fender, and then sand and then paint.
So as you can see right here, I managed to spread the Bondo somewhat even throughout to create a new fender. But what I didn't realize with my first time of using Bondo, and I absolutely fucked up, is you see that blue cream I added to it? It's called a cream hardener. And what it does, it's allowing the Bondo to thicken as you spread. And I didn't realize that this shit dries and hardens very fast. So as you can see, I fucked up throughout this process. But honestly, you learn by doing, and I figured it out along the way. And to do this project, it was really fun. Like, I was able to use materials that I've never used before, and it's not perfect, but it was made with a lot of love, blood, sweat, and tears.
You want to help? Help? Good job, baby. You want to help clean your car after? We got to clean it and then we got to paint. Okay? Good job. Ew, yeah. You're getting all dusty. You say hi? Hi. Baby. Yeah, baby.
Unfortunately, my phone died when we were painting, but there you guys have it. Here is the final product of the Jeep. And thank you again for following along with us on this journey. It was such an amazing project to do with my little family, and I'm sure that Ariana is gonna love this thing for as long as possible. Thank you again for watching, and if you want to see more videos of us with some DIY projects or family fun, please like, share, comment, subscribe.